Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Redmi Turbo 3. So you have to start by opening your App Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and select the Edge browser and click install. Now you can click open. And then you can click I agree. Now you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And here you can decide if you want to see notifications from this app. And now my Microsoft Edge browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.